cheesecake would be so good.
Yeah, right?
Should we just get something we like?
Yeah.
Some cheesecake.
Do you know what he likes in his cake? You went to Japan with him?
Nice. There's,
Soju cake.
Oh.
Asahi cake.
Oh. Espresso martini. He likes espresso martini, right?
So a coffee cake?
Yeah.
Oh, like tiramisu?
Oh.
Oh yeah, I like that. He does
Not the
like
rig on
espresso
you.
martini.
Okay.
Yeah.
BTS.
Yeah, behind the scenes of the star. I'm behind the camera the whole day, you know that? I won't be in front at all.
Oh, really?
I think, unless I'm an extra, but for the party scene. Look at this AI technology. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
I ain't gonna lie. Could you just hold that part? Yeah.
You want water, Young? Not thirsty? This is your workout for the day, huh?
So cute.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fine, I guess, for this.
That's so cute. I have something like that.
Like this?
Yeah.
This is Young's.
It's quite handy.
Yeah. We do all of our documentaries on this.
Yeah.
Unless we go like
Oh, we have to
sky's just kind of blowing out.
Okay. Oh my god, they got walkie-talkies. Damn. Damn, poor Sam. Young can run, bro. Yeah, he can run. Oh, damn.
Oh, actually, wait. Maybe I'll just hide behind the car or something?
Yeah. He still went fast.
Keep going. Yo,
Oh, that looks nice.
got some good range.
Yeah. Are you gonna do the full marathon at the end of the year or just the half? I'm only doing half as well.
I don't think I can do it.
See.
I think Dana wants to do half as well.
Should we train together?
Yes, sir. I like running in the circuits.
I'll press record when everybody's ready. You already want. Yeah. Sweet.
He won the body break and he ran so hard.
Oh my gosh. Are we gonna do half marathon together?
Yeah, Dana said yes. Yes.
I need to train. And knowing you're
Yeah, that's why we're gonna train.
you can make that class at the gym.
Yeah, but then you'll have to hang around.
In my head, I'm like, you should just run like not 4:45.
Hey,
bro.
What? Hey? Hey.
What are you guys? Where are you guys now?
Oh, did you just get to the house?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, we left you. Because we're getting cake for Mark. Stay there. But don't tell Mark we're getting cake for him. Remember, it's a surprise.
Is he there?
Yeah, he's in there. Don't say
Oh,
anything.
I see Q was car. It's all good.
Don't say happy birthday.
Yo. What?
Surprise.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, bye.
I see ya.
Bye.
Hey, beautiful.
What's up,
It's your big day. It's your big day.
It's your big day.
Smile for me, baby.
It's your big day.
Are you ready for tonight, baby?
That's crazy. Why you say it like that? But yeah, I'm ready.
How was your lab?
Are you ready?
Hold my hand.
Stressful. It's alright.
Welcome, guys.
Oh, then we'll just slate this one.
The slate isn't that easy to
Party. How many extras do we have roughly?
6.
Do you know that song Hell of a Lot by Kanye West?
Top ones have so many.
Oh yeah, true. Yeah.
It's actually funny.
Yeah, but we'll see.
Oh, the battery ran out before it like cuts you. That might be easy. Action, baby. Ooh.
I care.
Oh, shit.
Yes, exposure's all good.
Apart from the window, everything's wrong.
Time everything we crossed the line. That's my favorite song from Kanye West right now.
No. We don't get any. Bro, you like Kanye West? You ain't get cancer.
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck, bro. Do you like Kanye West?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, no, you just could bump up the ISO
Mine.
and then on the indie and then you have just because like
Do you like Kanye West?
two stops higher.
Bro, I gotta think about it because he saw the camera.
I like his music.
What about his personality?
I'm not too sure. I don't keep up too much. But I like his music.
Favorite song?
At the moment, Run Away.
Run Away?
Run away from me, baby.
Shit.
Yeah. That's a good song. Hey.
Hey. Ooh.
And then depending if Jordan's back or not, we might do the body rig. But we'll smash through these. It's literally pretty quick.
Yeah, if you don't like it,
Where would it be in the room?
the TV
Yeah.
probably on the
Dresser?
dresser, to be honest.
Kate was here last time.
Did it change every time?
No, Kate was in the first one.
Yeah. It was in. What? The one at Michael?
Nah, Alfie. That was
Yeah.
Alfie.
Yeah. When you're ready.
Do you want to check where we can go, bro?
Yeah.
It's about rolls, so we gotta hold the light steady, so we gotta get that shaking shit. Yeah, it's
Oh.
thank you.
Can be fine if you share the TV.
Oh, really? Is it like super obvious? We can turn it off.
Yeah.
Ah, the sound. It'll look sick anyway, like without it. It's more realistic. And then text.
Oh, and text again.
No, the first thing. So you've just finished.
Oh yeah.
Like maybe still do it, and if it peaks, it peaks. I just won't use it, and then step away. Same thing. Cool. Can everyone? I think someone else's phone went off.
Yeah, my bad.
I forgot all of that.
Mark, how many times did I tell you to clean your room?
We've got
Oh.
He's good at acting.
No, just. What do you reckon?
That seems good.
Ooh, shot guys.
On set, just so everyone else can be quiet. So, 1 4 take.
Okay.
You say turnover.
Okay.
And then we do all that stuff.
Sweet.
And then you say action.
Okay, got you.
Yeah.
Action. Yeah. Come on.
It's gonna be loud.
Yeah, it's gonna be loud there. Mark, yeah. Do we have the title links?
Yeah, we do.
Okay,
Yeah,
let's go on the titles when we go.
Sweet. I'll grab that.
They're ready.
Sorry, sir. Okay.
Can we go?
We've already moved on.
Oh, you don't need
So,
to.
yeah. It looked fine from when we were watching it.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Can you text it again? Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Key. I'll just spin my keyboard. Alright, so. Cool. Sweet. So. Not sure. Oh, maybe it should be this way.
Yeah.
Quiet on set! Sorry.
We're rolling.
Flashback.
Anyone else take one? So say.
Okay. Action.
Oh,
Sorry. On the side, kind of have a back key, and then look at your phone. So like
Look at the door, look at the phone, look at the door,
Yeah.
and then get up.
Yeah. It's like you're like thinking about it. You're just like, oh shit, I did all that.
Oh.
Cut. Sweet. Let's do one more.
Yeah.
And I'll just frame a little bit more this way, like just to become back here, but
The people that were smashing me.
they do now. We somehow lift that detail up.
So we're gonna take the door off.
Oh, what the hell?
Man.
We're just setting up the chest rig. We're just setting up the chest rig.
Oh, it's not.
So I was thinking it might be like get the reflector and bounce just a bit into his face. Just for like side.
Or like not us bouncing our light up the ceiling.
Yeah, no, like
Just the
it's
source.
like the mimicking bounce. Find out the word. Testing. Yeah, right.
Okay. I don't think I retained any.
Wait,
Wait, so Lucas 10 minutes away. Oh shoot. Alright, okay.
Or bowl.
Was it
What's that?
how much?
I want to leave.
Oh,
He's gonna get
No.
but I you don't have to.
She's like, if we go into
Oh,
It's really
that's great.
what's her name? Camera,
This is?
yeah, for real. Oh, you're gonna be able to do that?
Yeah.
Well, what's up?
Hey.
I'm Luke, bro.
I'm Chan.
Nice to meet you.
Yo. Chan.
Oh, nice. Are you gonna extra for us?
Yeah. I am.
Who brought you on?
Sorry.
Oh,
nice.
let's just start blocking this out, eh?
Yep.
He did it like faster, like way faster.
Bro, getting punched in the face must suck,
That's like so weak though.
Yeah, it looks sick.
I don't think we hit that thing.
Yes.
Sorry, I'm recording now. Say it.
Sup, Chan?
Hey Chan.
Jackie Chan.
Oh, you Jackie Chan.
Yes, sir.
Shit.
One and only. Jackie Chan the second. Oh.
Second one. Come on, bet he exists.
He is. He does exist.
Yeah, how are you, Jackie Chan?
I'm good. I'm good.
Are you a little tipsy?
Yeah, little tipsy.
Yeah.
But I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine.
You fine?
Yeah, I'm chilling.
Like you completely forgot our interaction before.
Yeah, I don't know why I almost days.
Yeah.
Because maybe I haven't like met you before this. So maybe I do
No,
kind
we've
of.
met before.
Yeah, just before, but like, I know.
No, like way before.
When?
Like we met at a party. Oh shit, sorry.
Nah, that's good. I was just kidding. I love you.
Whose birthday is it?
Mine.
That's right. Damn.
No, I wanted to see. Nice.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mark. Happy birthday to you. Hooray!
Tiramisu, actually.
Tapped on your own body.
Should I open it up? Sure, guys, we're coming.
I was so stressed when we tried that time. I was like, nice!
Happy birthday! Thank you.
Yo, I was trying to get you in the camera. I was like, come, and you were like,
I was amused with Jackie Chan the second.
Jackie Chan the second?
Yeah, Sahu's friend.
Yeah, that mustn't work.
Oh.
Sahu's friend.
where?
Over
no,
there.
I was talking about like just now.
Oh.
You didn't want to get in the other camera.
Young is always filming, but does anyone film Young?
Yeah,
That's the real question.
I do.
Go do it now.
I was filming Young this whole time though. Remember?
What?
Nothing. This is my inside joke.
Go, you do you. I want to see that from you. That Manny Pacquiao. Ew.
Ew.
That's gross.
Ew.
Oh, my
Do I gotta be the extra as well? Dressing like this, bro?
You already extra, man. With your
Who invited this ass to the party?
Yeah, for real. Imagine dressing like this to your party. Hey guys.
Bro, honestly, if you did.
Honestly, this is, you would probably go like this.
Yeah.
Probably.
Fat ass.
Man, shut up.
Oh yeah.
Where the fuck did Japanese food come from? They haven't done that.
Surgery.
Oh, yo, you're back.
Oh shit. He's from the west side.
W in the shack.
Damn. I can't even laugh at that, bro. That hurt.
At least you don't look 26 then.
That's all.
Yeah, you look like 23.
23?
Look 16.
16? Is that your type?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Front's all mine.
He replied. He replied. Nah, G.
Nah, G.
Damn.
Can you guys come out of the shop? So.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Caveman. It was giving caveman.
I can hear the ghouls.
Calling when asleep.
Hey, Chen.
What's up, bro?
How have you been doing?
I'm good.
What have you been up to?
We just moved the tables and
Hey, you been socializing, bro?
yeah. And it's still a little bit awkward because I don't know anyone here, so
You know me.
yeah, I know you. Yeah.
We can eat.
Oh, we can eat? Have you made carrot?
No, I have not. I'm Chan.
Chen.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you said have you made it. I was like, oh, he's Karen too? I was like, what? Hey Chen. We can eat, by the way. We can eat.
You wanna eat?
Sure, why not?
Shooting one last
Alright, come on, let's eat, bro. You know me.
Yes, I know you.
This is kiwa. Have you made kiwa?
Yes, we have. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
You know
Yeah.
kiwa then?
Yeah. 2 people.
Are you hungry?
Damn.
It's alright. So are you camera shy?
Yeah, I'm Chan.
Alright, awesome. Yeah, man.
Just saying, Karate Kid 4 is coming out.
got fried rice.
Soon.
Damn.
Fried rice,
Soon,
egg
soon.
fried rice,
What was the second and third?
pork fried rice. We
Was
have
it?
sweet and sour pork.
Yeah.
It was?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mr. Miyagi one.
Oh, right.
Apparently
Jaden
they,
Smith one.
yeah, apparently they're joining up though. I don't
Oh,
know. I don't know.
shit. Sahu ran with me.
Too drunk.
Take the photo.
Are you good, Kiwa?
Yeah.
We'll go again?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Can you get someone else to do this, please?
You're good? Float to the back, and then float to the front, and then that's it.
You want us to go faster or slow?
Maybe a tiny bit slower if we can. Is that-
Yeah, slower.
Guy in the corner with people dancing.
What's up, guys? We back in it. Light beans for life.
Horror shit.
This place is haunted.
This place is haunted, Donna.
Scary.
I actually saw a ghost,
Where?
like right in front of you.
Stop, bro. You know I was watching scary stuff last night.
What'd you watch?
Those YouTube compilations.
Why?
Like Scary Volume 88. Like, I don't know.
Why would you do that to yourself?
The contrast. Because the rebel mask and then behind there's like
Yeah. True. And then above is like alcohol. Huh?
What are they doing?
I would have stressed out and started drinking as well. That's the thing. Oh, you recording? Yeah, I was recording the whole time.
BTS?
You know the fatigue joys.
Tea Joyce?
Yeah.
You.
So we might have want you pulling up what she's sitting around. Oh no, you don't need to take it off. I think we take this off and we just.
I'll take this
You
off.
need to take this off. But which way does actually go?
We're gonna have Korean chicken later.
Why Korean? Why not just chicken?
Because I like Korean chicken.
Alright.
They
Which
voted
one?
on it. Chima.
Oh, shime? Are
Maybe.
we having beer as well?
Yeah. Chimak should we get from the other place you got last time.
I like
Where?
shime.
If I told Paige we
That's
and
cheaper.
Chimac should be here with an answer. Denny, use your right hand there, or left hand or right hand? Yeah. So do the same thing. Look, and okay, yeah. And then switch it to your left hand, Karen. Yeah, and then spin. Alright, let's practice the spin, real slow. Alright, we gotta try to keep that light as close as we can, just because it gets quite dark. Can you let some smoke out when you stop? Can you like hotbox your car with the vape? Maybe we put a 2 minutes
Are you doing good?
Yeah, no, I'm doing good. I came because I was looking for a charger. Charger. Oh, wait. They took $150. Remember, they got $150 of my money.
Oh, you gave him $150?
Yeah, for the prop money.
Ooh.
That shit ain't prop money.
Damn.
That shit my prop money.
Got evidence right here.
Got the evidence. That's okay. It's mainly for me anyway. Not for these guys.
And then let's put these like pretty close. Danny, you come out and wash the socks. Well, when you guys pay, then you start washing the car.
At the back of it in, or what do you want?
It's kind of like on both of their faces. So watch me take it out. So give us a minute.
Okay, yeah.
Standing by, everybody. We're rolling. Rolling. Now we can't turn that way. We can't turn past Cody. Yeah.
So wait, so I go here and then I
Turn back. Yeah. All good. Can we get in there with the light? Cut. That was fucking sick, guys.
Yeah, thank you for voting, Simon.
Oh, that's because
Yeah, the lights really can we show one more time? Yeah. Cadre, one shit on the alley. Okay, yeah, 3 step.
smashed up because I thought maybe does paint like have a toxic thing if you're real close?
Not acrylic. I think oil might.
Then I'm just wearing this to feel cool. This guy. Yeah, we're trying now kind of put the movement like that. I just wanna ride and buy my mama and my pop. We gotta some pay the bills and keep the fridge well stocked. Keep the home and welfare, blah 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 blah. There he is.
640. 640.
Is that what the ISO should be?
Makes sense.
Can we try 640? Happy? It's on the floor today, which. Anything you want to change last song? Last sit up, guys. We went to that prematurely.
That's what they would do before they were like using and shit.
Sorry for running you so hard.
Young did jack shit. But you look good though.